Hey everyone! Today I have a very exciting product to share with you. It's called Miraclewatt, and it claims to save you up to 50% on your electricity bills. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, I decided to put it to the test and see if it really works. Miraclewatt is a small device that you plug into any outlet in your home. It works by stabilizing the voltage and reducing the power surges that cause your appliances to consume more energy than they need. It also protects your devices from damage caused by power spikes and fluctuations. I ordered mine online from the official website, which I will link in the description below. It arrived in a few days, and it was very easy to install. I just plugged it into an outlet near my TV and waited for the green light to turn on. That's it. I decided to use Miraclewatt for a month and compare my electricity bills before and after using it. I was amazed by the results. My bill went down by 47% after some weeks. That's almost half of what I used to pay. I couldn't believe it. I also noticed that my appliances were running more smoothly and quietly. My TV didn't flicker anymore, my fridge didn't make weird noises, and my laptop didn't overheat. I felt like I had upgraded all my devices without spending a dime. Miraclewatt is definitely a game changer for anyone who wants to save money and energy. It's also eco-friendly, as it reduces your carbon footprint and helps the environment. It's a win-win situation. But wait, there's more. All orders come with a 5-year standard warranty. If for any reason your Miraclewatt device breaks, is damaged, or stops working, simply send it back for a new one, free of charge. And if you're not satisfied with your purchase, you can return it within 90 days of delivery and get a full refund. No questions asked. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and order your Miraclewatt today and start saving money on your electricity bills. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews and tips. See you next time.